It's up with a little monkey, and then there's a pretty good sized drop and 2 tables.
Okay. Just stop before and let me know. Do it. Have a good day. I got a bug in my eye. Shit.
Fun?
Really fun. That one could progress really fast.
Oh, watch that.
I was cool on the first one, and the second one, I cleared that table, and I'm all just stoked and ready for the next one, and a bug went boom into my eye under here, big one, flapping its wings, and I had to stop. It was all in my eye. Parts of it are probably still in there. Kind of messed me up, but I just, weird luck. I mean, it was a big black bug.
So there's a rock jump right there.
Uh-huh.